Well, it's a sunny day. I feel brand new. There's about a million things that I could do. Whoa, would you like to do them too? Yeah. Well, it's a big wide world and it's waiting for me and you. Let's look around. What will we see? Round every corner a discovery. Whoa, there's no place I'd rather be. Oh yeah. Well, it's a big wide world and it's waiting for me and you.
The windy day. It was a windy day, and everybody was having fun. No one loved the wind more than Chirp. She was sure that one day it would help her learn how to fly. Oh, rats.
Whoa! Ow! Hi, Chirp. What are you doing? Oh, I fell out of my bush and onto this thing because I was trying to fly, only I can't.
I'm the thing. Get off.
Sorry, Quack. I didn't know it was you.
Haven't I told you 1,000 times that flying is dangerous? If you're smart, you'll stick to swimming.
We're going to the playground, Chirp. Do you want to come? I don't have time to play. I have to fly.
Hey, my hat!
Well, maybe you could fly at the playground.
Of course, the playground, with swings and a seesaw. You see, Chirp was convinced that if she could just get off the ground, the wind would take it from there.
You're a genius, Peep. An absolute genius. Let's go. Ooh. Hurry up, Peep. Now, what would be the best thing to help me fly?
Did you say fly?
Ah,
Why, I just happen to specialize in getting birds like yourself into the air.
get out. Really?
But of course, follow me.
Like most raccoons, this one knew nothing about flying. But because he was an acknowledged expert in trash dispersal, he liked to think he could do anything.
Ready, set, fly!
Ouch.
Chirp decided to take matters into her own hands. Or wings, I should say.
I'm telling you, Chirp, swimming is easier than you think.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah, but I understand your fears. I really do. You look at me and think, how could I ever swim as good as Quack? Why try?
Jump!
Wahoo!
I'm flying! I'm flying! I'm not flying.
Oh, job.
Uh-oh.
I can't look. Poof.
What did I tell you? A perfect landing.
Chirp, are you okay? Uh-huh. It almost worked.
Chirp tried the seesaw 3 more times, but all she got was a sore behind.
Don't feel bad, Chirp. There are lots of birds who can't fly. Yeah? Like who?
Like me. I keep telling you flying is for the birds. I mean... But you know what I mean. It's for birds who don't know how to swim.
Do you feel that?
And then, all of a sudden, Chirp got her wish. A big gust of wind roared by and lifted her into the air.
I'm flying! I'm doing it! I'm flying!
But as Chirp soon realized, the wind can move you, but it can't make you fly.
Wait! This isn't right! Oh, hey! Help! Huh? Chirp!
Chirp.
Chirp! Chirp! You did it! You flew! Sort of.
That was a funny kind of flying, if you ask me.
How do I get down?
It's easy. You just, follow the, you know.
None of them had the slightest idea how Chirp could get down. Finally,
Go home.
Chirp told Peep and Quack to go home. She'd stay in the tree overnight and find a way out in the morning.
What are you doing?
I'm going to get Chirp out of that tree.
Stop! That's the deep, dark woods! You can't go in there! You can't go in there! Shush! You're making noise. Don't make noise.
Who's making that racket?
He is, and I told him to stop. I said, shush, Peep, you're making noise. Kind of like that.
It's me, Peep, Chirp's friend. Do you remember me?
Oh, yes. Peep. And you are... Oh, yes. That duck. What do you want?
Well, see, the thing is, Chirp is in a tree. She was trying to fly, and the wind kind of got stuck in her wings. And now it's getting dark, and she can't get down, and we're worried that we'll never find her again. Who's afraid of the dark? No, me. I'm not afraid of the dark. I'm not afraid of anything! Oh, hi, Hoots. What are you doing here?
I come here every night. I look for stranded little birds, and then I rescue them.
Really?
No. Peep told me you were here. Are you ready to go home now?
Me? Go home? Yahoo! Yay! I mean, sure, if it's not any trouble. I'm flying! I'm really, truly flying! It's so beautiful!
Good night, Chirp. Sleep tight.
And before she could say, "Thank you, Hoot," Chirp was asleep, dreaming of the day when she'd fly through the sky and swing around the moon all by herself.
The wind is blowing my hair because it's very strong today. We decided to blow bubbles. They're blowing away. That's all of her blowing bubbles, too. Oh, Yummy's bubble just blew away. It was so windy, the wind is making the bubbles. The wind's pushing out the bubble solution, and then the bubble comes out. We didn't even do anything. All we did is hold up the bubble wand. You can't see the wind, but you can see what it's doing. My dad gave us some old sheets to tear up so we could make some streamers. That's Oliver, and his streamer just went in his face. I was pretending the streamers were the hair of the sticks because the little knot is really shaped like a head, and the rest of the stick is their body. And if they have branches growing on them, that can be their hands and their legs or something. Try to see what you can do on a windy day.